Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the reading for Tuesday, the 23rd of Feb 2021. And let's see what full faith, what the angels and the masters have guidance for us. The first one is from the Guardian Angels deck, and let's see what guidance comes here. It is the beautiful card of motivation. Yes, who all are in need of motivation. What is it that you need that motivation for? Maybe something to do with your career, something to do with your personal life, family life. What is it that you are waiting for that motivation? Why the procrastination? What is it that you want that will move you forward? What are you aiming at? So this is the angel of motivation asking us to reach out to them, and if you call them, they will be there, guide you, give you the signs, show you the path, and give you that energy that will get you motivated to move forward. This is this beautiful orange color, which also reminds me that it is the color of the sacral chakra, the chakra that is all about creativity, all about artistic abilities. So what is it that you need activation for and motivation for? Go ahead and call the angel of motivation to come and give you that guidance, give you the signs, and you will be able to move forward to see what it is that you want to achieve. Do not procrastinate. Come on, let's get working, let's get going on this one. And this is the beautiful card from the Light Seers Tarot deck. Let's see what the guidance is. Beautiful. It is the Four of Wands. Four of Wands stands for celebration, stands for some kind of a completion of a project or a job or any kind of important landmark event that has just got over, or you have completed it with success, and this is the time to celebrate with family and friends. This is all about jubilation. This is all about prosperity. This is all about having the job done beautifully. This also stands in some tarots, it talks about marriage. The Four of Wands also stands about celebrations, specifically joining of souls and coming of partners together. So this is also that celebration. So maybe some are getting ready to celebrate a marriage in the family. So yes, this is a beautiful card to say nothing to worry. It's all about celebration. Universe is giving you enough chances, enough opportunities and possibilities to celebrate your life. Yes, have faith that everything is working for your highest good. And let's see what Goddess guidance comes for us for today. Oops, sorry. And this one is Yamanya, the golden opportunity. Yes, they are giving you a golden opportunity. It is important to notice it, this opportunity that's coming your way. All the possibilities are opening. There are celebrations happening, more opportunities are coming, more new doors are opening right now. Just walk through them. Have faith that they are there. If you need motivation, call upon them and they will be there to help you. This is all going to be successful. There is celebrations showing here. There are reasons to celebrate. So of course the golden opportunity is definitely the one that will work for your highest good. So whatever it is, keep your intuitions clued on. Keep getting the signs and understanding what they are asking you to do and what they are telling you, and know that it is all going to be a very, very beautiful culmination to bring in the celebration. And this is what is the magic of the universe. Have the faith and see the magic that works for you, because you are magical. We all are magical beings of the universe. So go ahead, spread that magic, be the authentic self that you are, and spread that love to every life that you touch today. I'm wishing you a very beautiful Tuesday, and I'm going to see you soon.